Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit number 5 and its title is Hashers Honesty. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, under the title of Writing Skills, we will learn about how we can describe different pictures. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned in writing skills that how we can describe different pictures. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about it. Write a few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures. So today we will cover up our this SLO. My dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse number 62 to 68. And below these two gardens will be two others. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Both will be dark green. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? In each will be two gushing springs. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? In both will be fruit, palm trees and pomegranates. Subhanallah, my dear students. These beautiful verses are describing about paradise, that how will be paradise and how everything, every blessings will be available over there. So these beautiful verses are describing so beautifully that how those peoples are doing good deeds, how they will get rewards in paradise. So through this description, so we also imagine that we are over there, and also it looks like that we are watching that and we are getting all these. And inshallah, as a Muslim, it's our firm belief that we will also get all these rewards in paradise. Ameen. So we are going to start. See there. Okay, all the activities take a series of actions to take place. My dear students, when we are doing an activity, so definitely we are doing in a series. How? Suppose I'm saying to you, let's see that, okay, to read unit 5. Okay, if a teacher say to you that open your English book and open unit 5 and start reading. So what you will do? Yes, first you open your bag. You take out your English book, then you open your book and start reading. So definitely there is a series, step by step, we do everything, my dear students. So let's see. See there, what is going there? Yes. First, let us wash it. First, I'll take some water in a bathtub, then I'll add some soap in it. Now I put my dog in the tub. See there, suppose you want to wash your pet dog. So how you will wash it? First of all, definitely you will get a tub, you will fill it with water, and you will put soap here, and then you will put your dog in it. Next, what you will see? Rub, rub, rub. I gave him a through bath. Okay, so rubbing, washing, getting him neat and clean. So this is the next step. Next, what you will do? Wow, my dog is clean again. Look at its soft and shining hair. Look, now it is neat and clean. So it means, my dear students, everything that we are going to do, so everything we are doing in different steps. Okay, and in a series. Suppose someone is showing you picture. If I show you this picture, just this picture, so how you will describe this picture? Okay, there is a boy, okay, and he has a dog. He has a dog. There are lush green trees and there are green grass is there. So in this way we describe different things using describing words. This is called picture description, my dear students. So see there, story of my cotton dress. There is a story. Another thing we have for you, how we are getting our dresses. So this is also being taken in step by step, like cotton seeds are sown in the field. So first step is that when we are going to grow a cotton, so then cotton seeds are sown in the field. So next, what we have to do? Next step is the cotton buds burst to open. See there, buds are being opened. This is the next. After that, cotton balls are picked from the buds. So when picking cotton balls, so you can see there, my dear students, okay, step by step, everything is being done step by step. Yeah, they are taken to the factory to make threads, and the threads are converted into cloth. So you can see this is the procedure, and this is how we get cloth through cotton buds. You can see first step is that sowing seed. Next, look, burst to open, buds are being burst. Okay, and next is cotton balls are picked from the buds, and next they are taken to the factory, and after that factory, that thread is being converted into cloth. Okay, have you got that? So this is the way that we are going to do something. So definitely we are going to do it step by step and in procedure. When we do things in steps and accurately, so definitely we will get excellent results. Have you got that, my dear students? So let's see there. If you have to make, see there, if you have to make a snowman, so what you will do? Definitely, first of all, you collect balls, ice balls, then you have started, see there, okay, in different ways and different looks, and after all, in the last stage, they have done it. See there, wow, so beautiful it is looking. Okay, in this way, how we can describe different things according to the pictures, and also how we can do that. So on your book, there is a question number 10, write one sentences for each pictures. There are series of pictures, my dear students, and you have to describe these pictures. Suppose what is being done there? Yes, swings she is getting, okay, on the branch of a tree in this way, and this in this picture number C, picture D, you have to write at least one sentence for each picture. Pause the video, my dear students, and do this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students, and I hope you have done it, and now you are able to describe. It's up to you. You have free will, but you have to write on these lines. Okay, my dear students? Good job. So what's your homework? Sketch a series of pictures and write few sentences about your visit to a park. You visited a park, so then you will sketch. Here are examples for you, my dear students. So you can sketch these pictures, and then you have to write one sentence about each picture. Okay, and which type of pictures you have to draw? Yes, you have to draw pictures how you visited a park. Okay, so yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form, and see that how students are able to describe the pictures. And what we have learned, so we have covered, we learned that describing words tell about color, size, and quality of naming words. So whenever we use describing words during writing, so when we describe things, so we use different describing words according to their color, according to their shapes, and according to their quality. So in this way, describing words helps us to describe any picture. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO, that write a few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures. Good job. Thank you so much, my dear students, and we have done a lot today, and we got that how we can describe pictures and how we can describe series of pictures step by step. Okay, my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have got. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.